What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going big size, and I mean king size, a giant king crab.
Because right here in front of me, and we're gonna cook it in a rich, spicy, mouth-watering chili crab sauce. Look at this monster. These claws are the size of my hand, so just imagine all that juicy, sweet king crab meat.
Stick around because later we're doing a full mukbang thing. I'll crack this king crab open and dive into that saucy, spicy goodness. Wow.
All right, first things first, let's prep our chili king crab sauce. This recipe is inspired by the famous Singapore-style chili king crab. You'll need garlic and onions, finely chopped for that savory base, fresh red chilies, adjust the heat level depending on how spicy you can handle, tomato paste and ketchup for that rich red color and sweetness, a bit of sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and cornstarch to thicken everything. And of course, an egg frota. That's the secret swirl at the end that makes the sauce velvety.
Now this beauty here weighs about 2 kilograms.
We already cleaned and steamed it for a few minutes just to make it easier to handle.
Whenever I cook seafood like this, I want the sauce to enhance the crab's natural sweetness, not overpower it. That's why balance is key.
Let's start cooking. Oil goes in about 3 tablespoons. Then toss in your garlic, onions, and chilies. Listen to that. That's the sound of flavor building up. As soon as it turns fragrant, add a spoonful of tomato paste and a splash of ketchup. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a pinch of sugar, and some black pepper. Now we're talking. Look at that fiery red sauce. I wish you could smell this right now. Then what? It's tangy, spicy, and sweet all at once. Let that cook for about 3-5 minutes so all the flavors combine. While that's simmering, it's time for our main star.
Oh, look at that. The king has entered the pan. We're gonna let that crab soak up every bit of that chili sauce, flip it gently so it's fully coated.
This is where the magic happens. The sauce clings to the shell and the crab meat inside absorbs all those rich flavors. I swear, this sauce could make anything taste good, even plain rice or bread. But today, it's all about this king crab. Just a preview taste. Oh wow, that's spicy, sweet. Perfection. Now adds cornstarch slurry and egg slowly. There it is. Creamy, silky chili crab sauce. Let's plate this up before I eat it straight from the pan. Presentation matters. Look at the golden red sauce, huge claws, and that steam still rising. A little garnish for color, and boom, chili king crab man, ready for the mukbang.
Here we go, guys. All right, king crab mukbang in chili sauce. Let's start with this massive claw right here.
Look at that meat. It's pure white, firm, and dripping in sauce. First bite, let's go. That's some crab and the heat from the sauce. Woo. Perfect combo. The spice hits your tongue first, then that buttery crab flavor just melts in. You know it's good when you can't stop smiling and sweating at the same time? This sauce is dangerous. It's like, you dip rice, then crab, then sauce again. Every bite is this huge, but that's what makes it fun. If you're watching this right now, I dare you to home than it looks and totally worth the mess. King crab is naturally sweet. And that chili sauce brings a beautiful balance. Not too spicy, not too sweet, just perfect harmony. That was epic. My hands are messy, my lips are burning, but my heart and my stomach are happy. That sauce was the real MVP. Rich, spicy, garlicky, and so addictive. If you enjoyed this king crab mukbang and want more spicy seafood feasts like this, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.